Hi guys, I forgot to include something in the more stickers in the mail video that I just posted. I was at the post office, got myself a little package. It was a nice surprise, and lo and behold, guess who it's from? Badgertronix, and there's Charlie. Oop. Very cool. Thank you very much, Jonathan. If you guys are not familiar with Badgertronix, check him out. Link is in the description. Awesome stuff that he posts. He himself is a first responder slash ambulance paramedic, ambulance driver slash paramedic. Man of many talents, including automotive technician. And if you check out his Instagram, link is also in the description. Charlie is getting hands-on. He's not, I don't even think he's 4 years old yet, and he's already working on cars. Good stuff. Thanks, Jonathan, for the mug. I don't drink coffee, but I'll find a use for it. Thanks to everybody else for watching. Check out Jonathan, Badgertronix, on YouTube.